dot plots. So again, I think you guys are pretty good at taking numbers and putting them onto a dot plot. But we also reviewed some other things about dot plots before spring break that I wanted to go over. So for this dot plot, the maximum value just means the biggest value. So you got to find the dot that is on the biggest number. Okay, so your biggest number is 4. There is a dot on it. So our maximum data value would be 4. Because there were 2 people who had 4 brothers and sisters. 4 is our greatest number. Now our smallest number would be 0. Because again, there's a dot on the 0. So that would be our smallest. Our mode is the number that happens most often. So we had a question before on one of the quizzes where it asked for the mode. A lot of people told me it would have been 4. However, mode is the one that happens most. And since 4 only happens twice, the mode is actually 2, because 2 happens 5 times. So the mode would be 2. Now for our median, we need to list out all the numbers and find the middle. So on a dot plot, when we list out the numbers, we have 0, another 0, we have 3 1s. Okay, you want to make sure you put them the correct amount of times. 5 2s. We have 3 3s and 2 4s. So if we were to find the middle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers. So our middle number is actually going to be the 8th one in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our median would actually be this 2 right here, because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. If you did check, check, pause, you would find that 2 is your median. Now the last thing is the number of observations. So what that means is basically how many people did they ask to make this dot plot. And every person represents 1 dot. So basically you just have to count the number of dots. So you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the number of observations for this dot plot is 15. Okay, so what you really want to remember for dot plots is when they're asking you to find something, like the median or the mode or the mean, list out your numbers like we did here, and then follow your typical strategy for finding whatever it is they're asking for, whether it be the mean, the median, the mode, the range. Okay, all those things you can figure out from a dot plot, but list out your numbers first so you're not confused.